Let's embark on a journey to write your very first Go program. This program will be the classic Hello World program. We'll break down each part of the code so you understand what's happening every step of the way. Get ready to dive into the world of Go programming. In this lesson, we are going to cover two key aspects. First, we will write our initial Go program with a well-defined structure. Secondly, we'll learn how to compile and execute this Go application, witnessing it come to life. The first thing we need to do is to create a new file called main.go. Remember that all Go files must end with the .go extension. This tells the Go compiler that it's dealing with Go source code. Make sure to save the file with the correct extension. Every Go file begins with a package declaration. In our case, we declare the package as main. The main package is special. It tells the Go compiler that this code will be an executable program, rather than a library or module. Next, we need to import the FMT package. The FMT package is part of the Go standard library, and it provides functions for formatted input and output. We'll be using the println function from this package to print our message to the console. Now let's define the main function. The main function is the entry point of our program. When you run the program, the code inside the main function is what gets executed. Inside the main function, we use fmt.println and pass in the string hello world. This line will print the message to the console. Here's the complete Hello World program in Go. You can see the package declaration at the top, followed by the import statement for the FMT package. And finally, we have the main function that prints out our message. To run your Go program, open your terminal or command prompt, navigate to the directory where you saved main.go, and type the command go run main.go. This command compiles and runs your program in one step. You should then see the output Hello World printed on your console. Congratulations! You've just run your first Go program. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.